Time for another Crimson Desert tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to beat the Queen Spider. First I'm going to equip my Frozen Anguish and run right up into her, get a couple hits on the face. Make sure to stay away from the back region because that'll do some damage to you. And now we want to clear away these little guys as much as possible. But she's also going to spit that purple attack and that'll do some damage, so try to dodge from that if you can. Make sure to have a lot of food, of course, to heal up. But yeah, you can dodge away from that, but it will do some damage if it hits you. So I got hit quite a bit because I'm not the best at dodging, gonna be honest. And then she's gonna stay up there for a while, so later on, once you clear away most of these little guys, you can actually hit her with arrows. So make sure to stock up with a lot of arrows. Go for the face, and she'll do 2 fang attacks and then like the spit attack from her back or whatever. So if you can dodge that, great. The fang attacks are pretty slow, so you can dodge away from those, but don't let her get you backed up into the corner because it's a little hard to roll away from there. There goes that little ranged attack that she does once again. So the first part of the battle, you probably won't be doing too much damage to her because you want to make sure to get away these little guys. But see, when she's up there, you can shoot her a bit and heal while you're doing that. But then look out for the little spiders because they will poison you. So I'm trying to get rid of those as well and get a few attacks on her with my bow. And then as she comes again, you can do a couple hits. Just don't get greedy, just maybe do 2 hits and then dodge away, and then watch out for that little fang attack. And then she'll do a jump attack, and then she'll do that little lunge. Okay, so try to get arrows on her. Once she gets on there, she'll do a ranged attack up there as well. So try to back up in the corner, and that allows you to run away. I did get hit from it. Again, once you clear away all these little guys, then it's going to be so much easier to fight her. And then get the range attacks when she's up there. She's going to jump down. She's going to come up and you can get one. Oh, she just did that little pummel attack on me. Run away to the other side, get a couple hits with the bow, get the face twice, and then dodge the 2 attacks with her mandibles. And then she does kind of like that slow crouch up where you can get her with the bow because it's kind of slow, and then she's going to run at you and try to pummel you like she did me right there. And then she'll get back up on top and you can get her with some arrows. So this is not the quickest battle, or at least it wasn't for me. So try to make sure that you have a lot of arrows if possible. And then also if you're in the corner, sometimes her little range attack up there bounces off the walls and it doesn't hit you. So I kind of stayed back here as much as possible. And then again, a lot of times I'm not quick enough when she's running to me to get an attack on her before she pummels me. But there I did a decent job. And then a bounce attack, and that little bounce attack, she tries to pancake you when she jumps, and that does a lot of damage. And so roll away again. I do get pretty greedy at times and try to get more attacks on her than I can. But the bow attacks are going to be your friend in this battle. So you may want to upgrade your bow skill a little bit. And then you might want to get the unending arrows, which is kind of nice for this attack. Or just come in supplied with like 30 arrows. And then you can do that. See, again, when she tries to like run towards you and pummels you, it's kind of hard to get an attack on her before she runs you over. So you're probably better off just dodging. I always get greedy and try to attack her when I should just dodge and then let her get away. So this battle would have been a lot easier if I would just dodge out of the way instead of trying to hit her right away when she runs towards you. And then the chance to get a lot of damage again is when she's up there on the wall. So you just kind of whittle her down and then dive out of the way of that range attack, and you should be able to get her As you can see, my health isn't that high on my character. I do have, that decent armor, that cool frost cursed armor, and I show how to get that, as well as the frozen anguish. I did a video just recently on how to get those items. Now she's down, just go ahead and take her out. That was a bit of a long-winded fight, so hopefully this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you're having trouble and if any of these techniques at all were helpful for you. And take care and happy gaming, everyone.